Hi guys, this is how to fix the annoying video player block of YouTube recently, without having to use YouTube Premium or watch those annoying commercials. Firstly, remove your current ad blocker and download and install uBlock extension. This is for Firefox or Chrome. Open the extension and you will see a puzzle piece where to do it. Now open the options for extensions. Once you've opened it, you will find the tab My Filters. Here you will find an empty place where to paste the code provided in the description of this video. Then you can apply, and you should be done now. Check YouTube if it's fixed. Enjoy! Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped. Bye!